yung talent mo. You will say, Mama, Mama, I want to go outside. You gotta speak and tell me, what do you want to do? What do you want? You gotta tell me, Mama, I want to go outside. Can you do that? Can you tell me? What do you want? What do you want? Tell me. Do you want to go outside? You gotta tell me. You gotta tell me louder. Louder, I can't hear you. What do you want? What do you want, Kobe? I can't hear you. Mama can't hear you. What do you want? You want to go outside? Are you gonna be nice? Are you going to be nice? Oh, you have to promise me. You say, Mama, promise. Say it. Mama, promise. Kobe, I'm talking to you. Kobe, I'm talking to you. Don't be rude. You gotta tell me, Mama, promise I will be nice. Tell me. Kobe, tell Mama. You gotta speak. Are you invited? I didn't call you. I didn't call you. Go, go, go. You ate my chicken adobo. I ate you. I ate you. I know because your breath stinks. Smell adobo. Can you tell me? Tell me, Mama, I'm gonna be nice outside. You gotta tell me nicely. You know, you gotta tell me. And then you have to tell me, Mama, I love you. Can you say that? Can you say, Mama, I love you? Can you say, Mama, I love you, Tio? Tio, can you say, Mama, I love you? No. Can you tell Mama you love me? Can you tell me you love me? Say it. Tell me. Can you say, I love you? Speak, Tio. Speak. Oh. Oh. Can you call 911, Tio? Can you call 911? Oh, can you call 911 again? Can you call 911? How do you call 911, Tio? Oh, very good. 911 again when Mama's hurt. What happened when Mama passed out? How do you call 911? How do you call 911 when Mama passed out? That's how you call 911. How about you, Tio? Tio, how do you call 911? Tio, how do you call 911? Oh! Oh!